There are two shopkeepers. First shopkeeper calculates his profit percent on the selling price, whereas the second shopkeeper calculates his profit percent on the cost price. If the selling price for both is the same and the difference between their profit is 175, then calculate the sum of the cost price for both the shopkeepers if the profit percent for both the shopkeeper is 25%. Okay, it is saying that there are two shopkeepers. So let's say there is shopkeeper number 1 and shopkeeper number 2, and the question is also telling us is that the selling price for both is the same. So let's assume the selling price for one is 100 and selling price for second is also 100. Now the question is telling us is that first shopkeeper calculates his profit percent on the selling price, whereas the second shopkeeper calculates his profit percent on the cost price. Now if you know the basic principle, the profit is always calculated on the cost price. Okay, but what the shopkeeper number 1 is doing, he's calculating his profit on selling price. Okay, and the question is also telling us this, that the profit percent for both the shopkeeper is 25%. That means he is making a profit of 25% and he is making 25% profit as well. But the catch here is that he's calculating his profit on selling price. So what is 25% of 100? That means 25% of the selling price, it is 25 only, right? So that means what will be his cost price? His cost price will be 75. Why did I say it's 75? Because he is buying it at 75 and selling it at 100. His profit is getting 25. Okay, he is having a profit of 25. Now got it? I hope you understood this. And another is calculating his profit on cost price the normal way, but we don't know the cost price, so let's calculate it. The question is telling us is that he is making a profit of 25%. That means he is selling it at 125% of the cost price, and this will give us the selling price, which is 100. So 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 2s are 0, 4 2s are 8. So cost price here is 80. So we got cost price as 80. Now let's see, and the profit here is of 20. Here the profit is of 25 and here the profit is of 20. Now let's see what the question is telling us. If the selling price for both same and the difference between their profit is 175. So here the profit is 25, here the profit is 20. What is the difference between both of them? It is 5. And the question is telling us is that this 5 is equals to 175 rupees. Yeah, 175 rupees. Then calculate the sum of the cost prices for both the shopkeeper. Sum of the cost prices, that means sum of 75 and 80. So sum of cost prices will be what? 75 plus 80, which gives us 155. Okay, so we already know that this 5 is equals to 175. So what will 155 be equal to? We do cross multiplication, 175 divided by 5 and into 155. We get 5 3s are 3 1s are 5 1s are, and 175 into 31, and I have already calculated this value. This comes out to be, wait a second, this comes out to be 5425. So option number A here is the correct one.